A man stopped at a flower shop and booked some flowers which he wanted to be delivered at his mother's house, who lived 200 miles away. As he came out from the shop, he noticed a girl sitting on the roadside. He asked her, "What's wrong?" And she replied, "I want to buy a red rose for my mother, but I don't have money." The man smiled and said, "No problem, I'll buy your rose." He bought the rose for little girl. As they were leaving, he offered the girl a ride home. She said, "Yes, please. You can take me to my mother." She directed him to the cemetery, where she placed the rose on a freshly dug grave. The man returned to the flower shop and cancelled his wire order, picked up a bouquet, and drove the 200 miles to his mother's house. My dear children, life is short. Spend much time with people who loves you and cares. Enjoy each moment with them before it's too late. There is nothing important than family.